What is cute? Most of you, when you hear that word, think of a puppy or a kitten or a bunny or maybe a human infant. And when you envision that thing, you just want to love it. You just want to squish its little cheeks. But what actually is cute, and why do people have that reaction to it? The word cute came from a shortening of acute, and back in 1731 it meant keen, clever, or sharp. But around the late 1800s, it started to take on a new meaning: attractive, charming, or pretty. From there, it evolved to mean more that something is aesthetically pleasing because of its youth or small size. Look at this cat. Is it cute? I like to think so, but why? Why is it cute? And why is, say, this here naked mole rat not cute? Well, there's a widely accepted list of characteristics that are cute. This list includes a large head relative to body size, a rounded head, a large protruding forehead, large eyes relative to the face, eyes below the midline of the head, rounded protruding cheeks, a rounded body shape, and a soft elastic body surface. These features are often seen in cute characters' designs. The Japanese art style of kawaii uses all these characteristics in a really extreme way. Their eyes are enormous, and their heads don't seem like they would fit on their bodies. Typical humans are about 7.5 heads tall, meaning you could stack about 7.5 of someone's head and it would reach about their height. Cute characters drawn in the kawaii style tend to be 5 to 5.5 heads tall. Bigger heads, smaller people, cuter. Many Disney characters also have cuteness factored into their designs. Disney characters typically have really big eyes, and some characters are small, soft, and rounded. All characteristics on our cuteness list. People have also measured Disney princesses' eyes and compared them to their stomach widths, and found that the eyes are often wider and larger. This is absolutely ridiculous compared to actual ratios of eyes and stomach widths, because, human eyes are way smaller than our waists. Many artists have shrunk Disney princesses' eyes to a more realistic size, or they've changed the whole face design to be more realistic. These pictures look weird to us. We aren't used to them, and they are less cute. They're kind of unsettling. Another example of this is Instagram and Snapchat face filters. These camera filters allow you to become cuter. They enlarge your eyes, they soften your face, and just generally make you look more like a baby. But cuteness has existed long before Snapchat, and many people have been studying it for decades. Konrad Lorenz was an Austrian zoologist, ethologist, and ornithologist in the 20th century. He's credited as the first person to make a list of cute features and could be considered the father of cuteness research. Many other psychologists and researchers have continued to study and learn about the science of cuteness. Some of these scientists found an evolutionary reason for cuteness. You may have noticed that human babies are pretty useless. They can't do much, and they wouldn't be able to survive very long without help. Our children, human babies, check all the boxes on our cuteness list. They are cute, which gives us an automatic urge to protect them. A study done at Harvard Medical School found that when mothers watched videos of babies, dopamine was released in their brains. Dopamine is the brain chemical that makes us feel happy. It's the same chemical released when you eat sugar or do drugs. Another study found a way to increase this effect. When you enhance these cute features on pictures of babies or dogs or cats, you get a larger dopamine release. Scientifically, we feel happy when we see cute things. When you see something cute, your reaction is probably, "Aww," or maybe you just want to eat it up, you just want to squish it, you just want to kill it. But what? Why would you get sad or angry? All those smart people at Harvard just told us that seeing cute things makes us happy. So what's going on? Well, you aren't actually feeling angry or sad or aggressive, it's just what you're expressing. Being angry or gritting your teeth when you see something adorable is called cute aggression. It's an example of dimorphous expression, and so is expressing sadness when you see something cute. Dimorphous expression is when you express something different from what you're feeling. Other examples include crying when you're happy or laughing when you're nervous. Dimorphous expression happens because our brains don't want to be overwhelmed by an emotion, even a happy one. So the brain releases hormones of an opposite emotion to help counteract the overly intense one. This allows us to keep our emotions under control and not be totally overwhelmed every time we see something cute. Cute things are interesting to us, and our brains want to give them more attention. And advertisers know this. Lots of products have cute characters as their mascots. You see this from M&M's, to the Geico Gecko, and even the Pillsbury Doughboy. Marketers and advertisers make their characters cute so you'll want to look at them. They want you to give their product more attention, so they manipulate our biological need to attend to cute things. Humans have been breeding dogs for thousands of years. You may not think of this as marketing, but people have bred and changed dogs in order to sell them to different people. There are now hundreds of dog breeds, each with their different purposes. There's a category of dog breeds whose main purpose is to be cute, soft, and fun. We have bred some dogs just to be cute for our enjoyment. Cuteness is all around us, and it may seem simple or obvious, but there is actually a whole bunch of science that surrounds it. You're so cute! Now we know why. Today we learned about the origin of the word cute. We learned about the features that are cute, we learned about where we see these features in our culture, we learned about what happens in our brains and why we have certain reactions to cuteness, we learned about what dimorphous expression is, and we learned about how advertisers and dog breeders use cuteness.